Imagine receiving a single notification on your phone, and then bam, you've now received a deposit of $75 to $100 in your online bank account. How exciting would that be for all of you? Well, in today's video, I have a brand new method that will show you how to get those types of notifications from your phone over and over again so you can make the maximum money possible online. I'll also show you how to use the 4 greatest applications to receive infinite money notifications to also earn an infinite amount of money as well. This is how people in the United States, Indonesia, Australia, the Philippines, India, Nigeria, and United Kingdom make money online. And you may be the next one if you stick with me to finish. So remain tuned and watch till the finish of this brand new method to understand all of my processes. Because the more apps you utilize, the more money you'll make. So let's get started with this video. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congrats! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You can be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now, just before we dive into the tutorial, smash the thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. To start making money online, go to the first of the 4 websites, which is called InstaGC.com. The reason I'm presenting you to this website first is that it's where you can earn a lot of money and gift cards by simply downloading it for free on your phone. This app is compatible with both Android and iOS smartphones, so you don't have to worry about which one you're using. In fact, let me know what device you're using in the comments below, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, so that I can develop future tutorials that are appropriate for your device. When I go to the first app's Facebook page, you can now see all of the payment proofs that folks from all over the world have received. Hundreds of people are collecting their PayPal money, as you can see above, and the payment of money they made is also displayed. As you may have noticed, they have several payment proofs, which only serves to demonstrate that our first website is quite reputable and can be trusted upon for our current strategy. Additionally, as you can see, anyone can redeem their money using Amazon gift cards, which is a fantastic choice as well. Let's now return to InstaGC.com's homepage. You can now read here about how you can earn money from activities you already do online on a daily basis. Completing short surveys, viewing videos, shopping online, and exploring the web, for example, are the ways to earn money and points here. That's all there is to it, but you need to create a free account first in order to participate in all of those activities and earn money. All you have to do now, sign up for a free account here, is to go to the website, and you'll see the sign up page right here at the top. Now that you found it, you'll need to enter your username, password, and email address here. After that, simply click the sign up button to begin earning 10 points after registering on the first website. You can, however, use your Facebook, Twitter, or Google accounts for a better sign-up experience, and the choice is entirely up to you. Now we're about to move on to the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th websites for today. And I need you to pay close attention because I'll go over everything in depth so that you can learn everything there is to know and optimize all of your results. So this is how the second app, which is named AppKarma, looks like. This app, which is accessible on both Android and iOS smartphones, allows you to earn rewards by playing free apps. You may now convert the points you earn on this app by doing activities and playing games for PayPal or top brand gift cards. However, you must first install AppKarma on your device by clicking on this button that says Get AppKarma. You can also get 300 points for free after you download the app, which can be converted to $3 right away. Furthermore, if you want to increase your profits and make more money on your platform, you can refer others, and you will immediately receive 30% of what your referrals earn. So if they make $1,000 here, you'll simply receive $300 that easily. So to obtain as much traffic as possible, all you have to do is share your referral link on the other sites like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, or any other network. All of the app's extra features and information are listed below. So if you're interested, go to appkarma.io and read everything there. And if you want to make money with the second app, make sure to download it on your device by hitting on this button right here. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Now we'll go on to the third app for today called CashKick, which you can find at CashKick.com. What I like about this third website is that you won't be paid in points. Instead, you'll be paid in real money. That being said, you can see that by clicking this button right here, you can get paid immediately to your PayPal account. However, before you can do so, you must first register on CashKick by entering your email address and password right here. Now, the activities that you can do that will earn you real money and not points are by answering surveys, finding great deals online, watching entertaining videos, and surfing the web. It's basically all the things you already do online, but by doing so, you'll be able to earn real money via PayPal through this third app. So make sure you install right away so that this platform will help you maximize your income. The fourth and final platform for today's session is called superpay.me. This is the most unique platform available today since you may earn here simply by watching movies on the internet. You may instantly earn your first 20 cents on this platform right after signing up, which is a great start. So, in order to begin creating your own account on this platform, make sure to click on the Join Free Today button and begin claiming your free 20 cents after doing that. As a result of watching short videos on fourth website, people from all over the world have made payments via PayPal, and here's all the payment evidence as you can see. Simply by looking at all of this, you may get a good estimate of how much money you'll be able to make by paying attention to how much money these folks are making as well. So if you want to be the next person to earn this kind of money, visit this website right now and sign up for a free account, not just on this website, but to the other three as well. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word Money Notifications. Once again, enter the code word Money Notifications, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words and other videos on our channel, so be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.